when you're back at the ground.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Pavitra here, and today let's talk about the iPhone SE2. So as per the information, the display will be 4.5-inch IPS display with 32GB of storage, and the main camera will be 12 megapixel, and it will come with 1750 mAh battery with 2GB of RAM. The iPhone SE2 is the phone that most likely to appear in the near future, offering a heady mix of Apple iPhone tech in a similar and more affordable package. So let's hope for the best and see what Apple can do in the upcoming days. So me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.